the Tory government has committed to scrapping the Human Rights Act within the next 100 days. They're talking about replacing it with a Bill of Rights, but that's a Bill of Rights that they're prepared to allow us to have, not the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which we are all guaranteed. And there's been a lot of talk about, well, if they scrap the Human Rights Act, we've still got the European Convention. Well, the plan is to come out of that as well. I think because we have a government who is prepared to take away vital services and resources from extremely vulnerable and needy people. And once those services are taken away, like for example, there were so many people who died as a result of the benefit restrictions over the last few years. And they're talking about another £12 billion of benefit cuts. This is going to leave some very vulnerable people incredibly desperate. And basically, many of the Human Rights Act articles will be breached as a result of those policies. So, if you take away the Human Rights Act, then people don't have the right to fight for their own protection and their own safety. The last administration, the last government, were told very clearly that they were in breach of human rights by taking away access to justice, for example. And they didn't care, they did it anyway. Justice report which came out last month, and that's a cross-party government report, which I gave evidence to, lots of other people I know gave evidence to as well, concluded that the only one of its aims that the cuts to legal aid had managed to succeed in was saving money. But it only saved money for the justice budget because the cost to other parts of the system was so enormous as to completely outweigh any savings made. So it can't be anything other than an ideological decision to take people's rights away from them, because it certainly isn't saving anybody any money. Tell 10 people who don't know about this, tell them. Tell them this is being done in their name. Tell them that we are losing our rights. Use social media. There is a petition, well there's two petitions actually, one's on the Amnesty website, one's on the Liberty website. Please sign them. It's a petition demanding a national referendum on whether we should use the human